So let's talk about Class Dojo. I'm sure plenty of your children have come home and talked about earning points and prizes, so we're going to talk about that today. Class Dojo offers two functions. The first is parent-teacher communication, and the second is our positive behavior management plan, so to speak. So, as far as parent communication, we have two possibilities. The first one is through our class story. And so this is where I post day-to-day pictures or any kind of updates that are important. So for instance, on October 13th, I let everyone know that we have in-school learning on that Wednesday. And so that was a quick little blurb for you guys. And then we also have a picture down here of Mrs. Gibson who came to read to our class. So I love this function because it allows you all to see pictures from our classroom and get instant notifications about different things in our day and different updates. So I really appreciate this aspect of Class Dojo. The second is that you all can message me privately on Class Dojo, and it's pretty much like texting back and forth, which I also appreciate because it's pretty instant. It allows you all to just kind of quickly send me a message, I can send you a message, and it can get done throughout the day. So Class Dojo is always open in our classroom, so I'm always able to see any notification that pops up. As far as our second function of Class Dojo, which is our positive behavior reinforcement, is to earn points. Students can earn individual points, and every time they earn a point, it goes into our whole class pot. So our whole class right now has 763 points, and each individual child has their own amount of points as well. And so what are some things that your child can earn points for? So we have bear paws. Now last year we had plenty of bear paws, and so we aren't able to circulate them at this time because of COVID, but I'm really hopeful that it'll be able to pick back up at some point. We have birthdays, we have helping others, being on task, positive attitude, shining bright, showing kindness, teamwork, trying your best, and positive shout-outs. Positive shout-outs are for students when they see other students doing the right thing. They can give a positive shout-out to a peer. All of the rest are more adult-oriented. So on task really is for anything that the students are doing that's a positive behavior. Great job, you raised your hand and you didn't shout out, on task point. Oh, great job for waiting your turn online to go wash your hands, on task point. So students are constantly getting on task points throughout the day. Trying their best is the big one, having a positive attitude. So we're constantly trying to really flood all the students with love and positive behavior and positive reinforcements. Another thing that students love is earning individual points. So I'm going to show you on the board here. I'm going to just turn this a little bit so you all can see what are some of the points that your child can earn. So right now, the majority of students are getting really close to 100 points individually or just a little bit over 100 points. So when students earned 60 points, they were able to have 10 minutes of extra recess. When they earned 80 points, they were able to get a big coloring sheet. When they reached, 90 points, they get a prize from the prize box. And some points in the future that they can earn is 120 having lunch with me. We have a sweet treat, 10 minutes of choice time, 10 minutes of a Chromebook. So these are individual rewards that students can have. And they're constantly coming up or asking to come up and see what their individual reward is. Then we have our whole class rewards. Once our students reach 1,000 points, they'll be able to wear their pajamas and bring in a stuffed animal. 2,000 points is movie and a snack provided by me. And the third is having a pizza party. So 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 points. And students are already brainstorming what we should do if we reach 4,000 points. So this is a really great system for the students. It creates a positive environment. Students really want to do their best and reach whole class points. And they often love receiving a point. Kids love it. Another thing that we use it for is when students are doing the right thing. These can't be taken away. So I don't ever say, oh, you know what, you're not listening now, I'm taking this point away. They earn their point for doing the right thing, and it continues to grow and accrue. So this is our token economy. They get their points and they can cash it in for something fun. So this is Class Dojo, and you can even ask your child, what did you do today to earn a Class Dojo point, and have that awesome conversation around it. All right, thank you.